reproduction in lower and higher plants. In previous video, we learned what is double fertilization and how double fertilization takes place in angiospermic plant. Double fertilization takes place by 4 ways. First, porogamy. Second way, synonogamy. Third, synogamy. And last, triple fusion. What is the significance of double fertilization? After double fertilization, diploid zygote is formed and triploid primary endosperm nucleus is formed in a double fertilization. Then we learn post fertilization changes. After double fertilization, post fertilization changes. What is the definition of post fertilization changes? The changes occur inside the ovary and changes occur inside the ovule and embryo and endosperm. These changes are called as a post fertilization changes. Post fertilization changes, that is, changes take place inside the ovary and changes take place inside the ovule. So these changes are known as a post fertilization changes. In previous lecture, we understand ovary is converted into the fruit. Ovary is converted into fruit and ovule is converted into the seed. Then integuments of ovule are converted into the seed coat. But in angiosperm, ovule is bitegument. So outer integument is converted into the testa and inner integument is converted into the tegument. Then nucellus is converted into the perisperm. Remember these changes. And result of double fertilization, that is, zygote is converted into the embryo, and from embryo new plant body is developed. And T, P, E, N is converted into the endosperm. Here first point remember, endosperm is a nutritive tissue. Endosperm is a nutritive tissue. When in seed, endosperm persists permanently, then these seeds are known as a endospermic seed. In simple, when in seed endosperm are present, then these seeds are called as a endosperm. But in some type of the seeds, endosperm are absent, that is, endosperm is a consumer, then these seeds are called as a non-endospermic seed. In post-fertilization changes, first we learn how endosperm develops. that is in post fertilization changes, we learn in this topic development of endosperm. Development of endosperm. And endosperm, it is a nutritive tissue, and endosperm when present inside the seed, then these seeds are called as a endospermic seed or albuminous seeds. When endosperm absent, then these type of the seeds are called as a non-endospermic seed or a ex-albuminous seed. Then we learn in development of the endosperm, 3 types of the endosperm are present. 3 types of the endosperm, that is, first type is a nuclear endosperm. First type is a nuclear endosperm. Second type is a cellular endosperm, and third type is called as a halobial endosperm. Depending upon the mode of development, how many types of the endosperm? Endosperm consists of 3 types. First type is called as a nuclear endosperm. Second type is known as a cellular endosperm, and third type is known as a halobial endosperm. Nuclear endosperm. How this type of the endosperm is developed? You know the 2 terms. First term is a karyokinesis, and second term is a cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus, and cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus, and cytokinesis means division of the cytoplasm. In development of the nuclear endosperm, what happened? We know the result of the double fertilization. First, after syncytial, diploid zygote is formed, and after triple fusion, TPEN. That is primary endosperm nucleus. It is triploid in nature, so it is called as a triploid primary endosperm nucleus. In nuclear endosperm, primary endosperm nucleus, this is called as a PEN. Long form of the PEN is a primary endosperm nucleus. PEN under pre-nuclear division, but it divides repeatedly. So, formation of larger number of a nuclei. So, formation of a larger number of nuclei. But here, PEN, that is primary endosperm nucleus, undergo pre-nuclear division and formation of the pre-nucleus. But here, cell wall formation does not take place. Only PEN undergo pre-nuclear division and formation of a many nuclei. Here, cytokinesis does not take place. Cell wall formation does not take place. But in next stage, at the center, vacuole is present. At the center, vacuoles are present. So it pushes the nuclei at the peripheral side. Vacuole pushes nuclei at the peripheral side, and then wall formation take place from periphery to center. Then wall formation take place from periphery to center. This is called as a nuclear endosperm development. Simple. First, PEN. PEN is the result of the triple fusion. And triple fusion, it is the last step of the double fertilization. And double fertilization, it is the characteristic of the angiospermic plant body. Post fertilization changes means ovary changes take place inside the ovary, ovule, embryo, endosperm. After post fertilization changes, zygote is converted into the embryo, and embryo gives rise to the new plant body, and TPEN is converted into the endosperm. Endosperm is a nutritive tissue. When in seeds endosperm are present, then it is called as a endospermic seed. When endosperm is absent, then they are called as a non-endospermic seed. Depending upon the development of the endosperm consists of three types. First type is a nuclear endosperm. Second type is a cellular endosperm. And third type is a halovial endosperm. In nuclear endosperm, first PEN undergo division, and there is formation of a many nuclei, but wall formation does not take place. Then at the center, vacuole is present. This vacuole pushes the nuclei at the peripheral side, and then wall formation takes place. So wall formation takes place from periphery to center. This type of the development is called as a nuclear development. Example, wheat, sunflower, coconut. But here nuclear endospermal development is the incomplete. So this is the first type of a nuclear endosperm. Then we see the next type of the endosperm, that is cellular endosperm. Cellular endosperm is followed by first karyokinesis and second cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus, and cytokinesis means division of the cytoplasm. It is common type of the endosperm which are present in the angiospermic plant body. In cellular endosperm, first PEN. What is the long form of PEN? Primary endosperm nucleus. Primary endosperm nucleus. Divide, and each nuclear division is followed by a regular cell wall. cytokinesis. So this type of the development is known as a cellular endosperm. First, PEN, it is diploid in nature. It undergo mitotic division and formation of the nuclei. After karyokinesis, cytokinesis takes place. That is, cell wall form surrounding the nucleus. So karyokinesis is followed by the cytokinesis, and number of the nuclei along with the cell wall are togetherly formed. That is, karyokinesis is take place, also cytokinesis is take place. This type of the development is known as a cellular type of the endosperm. Then third type is known as a halobial endosperm. First, nuclear. PEN undergo repeatedly mitotic division to form a number of the many nuclei, but cytokinesis does not take place. Central vacuole pushes the nuclei at the peripheral side, and then cytokinesis is take place from periphery to center. Second type is a cellular endosperm. In cellular endosperm, karyokinesis followed by the cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of the nucleus, and cytokinesis means the division of the cytoplasm. In cellular type of the endosperm, first PEN undergo division. There is the formation of the nuclei. After karyokinesis, then the cytokinesis take place. That is, cell wall formation also take place. So it is followed by the karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Then we learn the third type is a halobial endosperm. Halobial endosperm, it is intermediate between nuclear and cellular type. It is intermediate between nuclear and cellular type. In this type of the development, first PEN, that is the long form of the PEN. We again repeated this point. PEN means primary endosperm nucleus. Primary endosperm nucleus. PEN undergo first division, and there is formation of two unequal cells. Why it is called the two unequal cell? Because one cell is the larger and one cell is the smaller. In a halobial type of the endosperm, PEN undergo first division, and there is the formation of a two cell. First cell is called as a micropylar cell, and second cell is called as a chalazial cell. But micropylar cell is larger in size. Chalazial cell is small in size. PEN undergo first mitosis and formation of the two unequal cells. First larger cell is called as a micropylar cell. Small cell are called as a chalazial cell. Then what happen changes? Transverse wall formation takes place. That is, PEN divide transversely and form two unequal cells. One is the larger cell. It is called as a micropylar cell, and another is a smaller. It is called as a chalazial cell. But Halobial endosperm is called as a intermediate between nuclear and cellular endosperm. Why it is called the nuclear and cellular endosperm? Because cell wall formation takes place in between the nuclei of a micropylon cell, and cell wall formation does not take place between the nuclei of a chalazial cell. This is the most important point in a halobial type of the endosperm. Cytokinesis takes place only in a micropylon cell, but cell wall formation does not take place inside the chalazial area. So it is called as a intermediate between nuclear and cellular endosperm. So depending upon the development of the endosperm consists of three types. First type is a nuclear, second type is a cellular, and third type is called as a halobial. Nuclear division is called as a karyokinesis. Division of the cytoplasm is called as a cytokinesis. In nuclear endosperm, PEN undergo repeatedly to form many nuclei, but here wall formation does not take place. Central vacuole is present. This vacuole pushes nuclei toward the peripheral side. So cytokinesis occurs from wall formation take place from periphery to center. In some cases, this development is the incomplete. For example, wheat, for example, sunflower, for example, coconut. In coconut, which type of the endosperm is present? Nuclear endosperm. Second type is a cellular endosperm. In cellular endosperm, PEN undergo mitosis, formation of the nuclei. After karyokinesis, cytokinesis take place, then nuclei can form again the wall formation take place, and what changes take place in a halobial endosperm? Halobial endosperm, first PEN undergo first division to form two unequal cells. Large cell are called as a micropylon cell and small cell is called as a chalazial cell. But here one point is remember, wall formation occur only in between the nuclei of the micropylon cell, and cell wall formation does not take place in between the nuclei of the chalazial cell. So it consists of the characters of both nuclear endosperm as well as a cellular endosperm. Example of the nuclear endosperm maize, wheat, sunflower, coconut. Example of the cellular endosperm balsam, petunia, and aroxan. Remember this example: balsam, petunia, and aroxan. Example of the halobial endosperm is a Asphodilus. Asphodilus, it is the example of the halobial endosperm. So post-fertilization changes take place inside the ovary, inside the ovule, along with the development of the embryo and development of the endosperm. After fertilization, zygote is converted into the embryo, and and TPEN is converted into the endosperm. Endosperm is a triploid in a nature. It is a nutritive tissue. Depending upon presence or absence of the endosperm, mode of the seeds are of two types. First, albuminous, second, ex-albuminous. Endospermic and non-endospermic. Endospermic means endosperm is persistent or endosperm is the present. Non-endospermic means endosperm is absent. Then in development of the endosperm endosperm development take place by the three ways. First, nuclear endosperm, second, cellular endosperm, and third, halobial endosperm. What is the long form of the PEN, primary endosperm nucleus? Primary endosperm nucleus is haploid, diploid or triploid. It is a triploid in nature. In embryo cell, all the cells are haploid, but secondary nucleus is a diploid. Antipodal cells are haploid, egg apparatus haploid, but at the center definitive nucleus is present, it is a diploid. So one main element fuses with the secondary nucleus, then PEN, that is primary endosperm nucleus is formed, but their nature is a triploid in nature. Nuclear type of the endosperm, PEN undergo repeated mitotic division and formation of the many nuclei, but cell wall formation does not take place. In vacuole present at the center, it pushes nuclei at the peripheral side and wall formation take place. For example, with sunflower and coconut. Second type is cellular endosperm. In cellular endosperm, PEN undergo division and formation of the nuclei, that is karyokinesis take place. Then wall formation take place after the karyokinesis. So example of the cellular endosperm is Parkinson, Petunia and Anaxa. And third type is halobial endosperm. It is intermediate between nuclear endosperm and cellular endosperm. In this type, PEN, that is primary endosperm nucleus, undergo first division to form two or equal cell. One cell is the larger, another cell is the smaller. Larger cell is called as a micropylar cell, smaller cell is called as a chalizial cell. Larger micropylar cell and smaller chalizial cell divide transversely. So in between larger micropylar cell and smaller chalizial cell, transverse wall formation take place. But here we remember this point: the wall formation take place in between the nuclei of the micropylar cell, and wall formation does not take place in between the small chalizial cell. So these changes take place in a halobial endosperm. Example is a Phaseolus. So in this lecture we learn post fertilization changes. First development is a endosperm development, and how many type of the endosperm depending upon the mode of the development. First is a nuclear endosperm, second is a cellular endosperm, and third is a halobial endosperm. So in next lecture we see the development of the embryo. So you understand this article. Thank you.